Right here we only have got a few things that you need to understand, and I'm going to explain all of that now. So the first thing is the aspect ratio. Alright, so this basically refers to the type of the project that you are going to create. Alright, right here for an example, when you go for the drop down menu here, you are going to see there are different types of projects that we can create right here. There's the widescreen, which is the default one, 16:9, and there's the Instagram 1:1, and there's a portrait 9:16. The standard, business, cinema, vertical, and custom. Alright, so just to give you a right perspective, this is what is being referred to as the aspect ratio. But let's say you want to create a project with the aspect ratio that is not mentioned right here. That is the very time for you to go for custom. Now I want you to listen carefully on this. The aspect ratio works together with the resolution. While the aspect ratio is to show what type of a video is it, the widescreen, the vertical, and so forth. The resolution is the measurement of the amount of quality of that video in that certain particular aspect ratio. Just to make it simple for you, after you choose the type of the video that you want, whether you want this or this, on resolution, you are now choosing the amount of quality that you want that video to have. I think you're understanding something. Alright, for example, let me set back the default. Go back right here and put back the widescreen. Okay, and right here I choose the resolution. In other words, here I'm just choosing the amount of quality that I want in this widescreen project. Understood? You can choose the 1280 by 720, which is the HD, or you can choose the 1920 by 1080, which is the full HD, or else you can choose the 4K, which is called the Ultra HD, or 3840 times 2160. Or else you can go ahead, as you can see right here. Alright, so now when you set the custom aspect ratio right here, you are going to enter the resolution figures right here, which are custom according to the way you want the project to be. Alright, so having that explained, let me tell you the frame rate.
Bye.